guys, Miss Basil here. Happy Friday. So today you have a science assignment and it is over ecosystems, food chains, predators, and prey. So you have 2 assignments that you have to turn in today for science. The first one is pretty simple. I believe there's just 5 slides. Predator and prey. So you have the definition. So you just need to read them. And then you have a sort. So you have to drag the labels. If it's a predator, click predator and drag it prey so far. Simple there. Identify what a whale eats plankton. Which one is the predator? So is the whale the predator or the plankton the predator? Which one's the prey? So you would click and then you would type it in there. And then the last one on this slide is make a list of predators and preys that you know. I would definitely probably use the information from slide 4 to complete slide 5. That's it for the first one. So predator and prey. And then you have a food chain assignment that you need to do. So you have the vocabulary. I definitely suggest reading over the vocabulary here. And then you have a fill in the blank. So you're going to click it and drag it and move it where it needs to go. And what is this? So drag the label of each picture and then what it is. So is this a producer or consumer or a decomposer? And then you'll click it and drag it. What are examples of producers, decomposers, primary consumers, and secondary consumers? So you look at each step of the food chain in the next 2 slides and then write down 3. So using the next slides, you can use those for those examples. Here you're going to label it the origin of the energy. So where's all the energy coming from? What's the producer? What's the primary consumer? And then what's the secondary consumer? So you'll drag and kind of move it to label the different things on that slide. Same with this. But you have a new word, tertiary. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. So that's the top of your food chain. So whatever animal is kind of the top of your food chain. Then use this picture of the savanna to help you answer slide 9. So you need to label where the energy is coming from. It's going to be the same for all the slides. So the energy, what's giving the plants energy, what's a producer, consumer, second consumer, decomposer, what breaks down everything. Same with this one. Use the picture of the ocean to fill in the food chain. Same with this slide. Here you need to label the food web, kind of like the ones before. Which one is the producer, which one's the primary consumer, secondary consumer, and the tertiary, which would be the top level. And then you have to label the food web. Again, kind of similar to all the other slides. So if you have questions, please ask them. These are pretty simple slides. If you have any questions, just let us know. And that is it. So have a great Friday. Bye-bye. I figure out how to turn it off.